Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss exercise 2.5 from NCERT. In previous video, we have completed till 2.4 exercise and from ML Agrawal till 2.3. In this video, I will tell you exercise 2.5 NCERT. First question, which is greater? First question is, which is greater? 0.5 or 0.0? 0.5 or 0.05? Clear? Here, first of all, you change this number in fraction form. Clear? 0.5 or 0.05. First of all, you will change this number in fraction form. Means when you will remove the decimal, you can write in fraction form. Means 0.5 and 0.05. Clear? 0.5 means 5 by 10 we can write. 0.05 by 5 by 100. After that, you want to find which is greater. You can do cross multiply. You can do cross multiply. Cross multiply 5 into 100, 5 into 10 is 500, so 500 is greater, means 0.5 is 0.5 is greater. If this type number is given, if number is given in decimal form, first of all you will remove the decimal. Clear? Means you will change in fraction form. 0.5 means 5 by 10, 0.05 means 5 by 100. After that, cross multiply you have to cross multiply 5 into 100, 5 into 10. 500 greater than 50. 500 is greater, means 0.5 is greater. 500 it is the value of 0.5. 50 it is the value of 0.05. 0.5 it is a greater. Clear? Question number 2. Express as rupees using decimal. Express as rupees using decimal. 7 paise. 7 paise change in rupees. Since 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Therefore, 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupees. 1 upon 100 rupees means 7 paise means 7 by 100 rupees. 7 by 100. 0.07 rupees. 7 paise change in rupees. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Maximum unit to minimum unit if you are going to, you will do multiply. Minimum to maximum you are going, means greatest to smallest if you are going, you will do multiply. Smallest to greatest you are going to, you will do divide. Clear? So here is paise. Question is change in rupees. 7 paise equal to 7 by 100 rupees means 0.07 rupees. Clear? Note down. Second, third. 77 rupees. 77 paise. 77 rupees 77 paise. Clear? 77 rupees plus. Clear? It is in rupees, you will not change anything. 77 by 100. 77 by 100 rupees. Clear? 77 rupees plus 0.77 rupees. Clear? Both are same unit. Clear? We can do plus 77 plus 0.07 0.77. So 77 plus 0, 77 plus 70 means 77.77 rupees. Clear? Third question like this. You can do this question. Note down. Question number 4. Express in kilogram. Question number 4. Express in kilogram. 200 gram change in kilogram. Okay. Solution. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Clear? So therefore 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Therefore 200 gram means 200 by 1000 kilogram. 200 gram, if you will want to change in kilogram, you will divide by 1000. Okay? 0 0 0 0 cancel means 0.2 kilogram is the answer. 200 gram change in kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. Therefore 200 gram equal to 200 upon 1000. 0 0 cancel means 2 upon 10 is 0.2 kilogram. Clear? Note down this. Next question, question number 5. Note. Question number 5. 20.03. Write the following decimal number in the expanded form. Clear? Write the following decimal number in the expanded form. Expanded form means you see which number means which way. 20. 1 stands. Clear? 1 stands. Clear? And after decimal 0 and 3 is given. Clear? Means 10th, 100, 1000 like this after decimal you will be reading. And before the decimal 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 like. Means 20. 2 into 10. Clear? 1s, 10s, 10s places plus 0 plus 0 by 10 plus 3 by 100. Clear? Means 20 plus 0 plus 0 by 10 plus 3 by 100. Clear? It is a expanded form. You can write like this. If decimal form given the number and asking to write in expanded form, you can write like this. Clear? Question number 6, 7. Question number 6, write the place value up to. Means you see 2 in which place. Write, if 1's place to write 1's place, 10th place to write 10th place, 100th place so you will write 100th place. So question number 6 you can do and 7 also. Question number 8. Shyama bought 5 kilogram 3 gram apple and 3 kilogram 250 gram mango. Sarla bought 4 kilogram 800 gram orange and 4 kilogram 150 gram banana. Shyama Here you will write kilogram, gram. Clear? So what? Apple. How much? 5 kilogram, 300. Clear? Mangoes. Mangoes 3 kilogram, 250. 2 plus 0, 5, 5 to 8. 8 kilogram, 550 gram. After that, Sarla. Here also same type, kilogram and gram. C has taken 4 kilogram orange. Orange C has taken how much? 4 kilogram, 800. Bananas. 4 kilogram, 150. 2 plus 0, 5, 9, 8. 8 kilogram, 950. Syama bought total fruits 8 kilogram, 550 gram. Sarla bought 8 kilogram, 950 gram. Which is greater? See, here is 8 kilogram, here also 8 kilogram. But here is 550 gram, here is 950 gram. Means Sarla more fruits. Sarla bought more fruits. Means we can write here Sarla bought more fruits. Clear? So this exercise is complete. Now 2.6 exercise. Also I will explain. Note down this. 2.6 exercise, multiply. Zero 0.2 multiple 6. Clear? Means solution when you will do 0.2 multiply by 6. 6 to the 12. 1 carry 6 into 0. 0 plus 1, 1. After decimal 1 number means 6 into 0.2 equal to 1.2 is the answer. Clear? One more part. 2.71 into 5. 2.71 into 5 means 2.71 into 5. 5 on the 5, 5 7 the 35. Clear? 3 pair. 5 to the 10 3, 30. After decimal 2 number means 13.55. Clear? Is the answer. Note down this. Second question. Find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is asking whose length equal to 5.7 centimeter and breadth equal to 3 centimeter. Clear? Area of rectangle L into area of rectangle equal to L into B into means formula is area of rectangle L into B. Put the value of length and breadth 5.7 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Clear? Then multiply 3 7 get 21, 3 5 get 52, 70. After decimal 1 number means before 1 number you will write a decimal. Area unit is centimeter square, means 17.1 centimeter square. Once again I am telling you, area of rectangle is asking, length and breadth value is given. Area of rectangle we know that length into breadth, then 5.7 into 3 centimeter, 3 into 5.7 equal to 17.1 centimeter square. Note it. Question number 3. 1.3 into 10. 1.3 into 10 means 1.3 into 10. Do multiply. 0 3 ja 0, 0 1 ja 0. After that from 1 left one number, 1 3 ja 3, 1 1 ja 1, 0 3 1. After point 1 number means 13. 13 is the answer. Clear? One more. 3.62 into 100. Clear? You can do direct also multiply. 3.62 into 100 means 3600, 36,200. Clear? After that put the decimal. But if you can't do like that, you can do into 0 0 0 0 0 0 2 6 3 0 0 2 6 3. After point 2 number means here is 362. 362 is the answer. Clear? Note down. Next question. Question number 4. A two-wheeler cover a distance 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? Very simple question. Means a two-wheeler cover a distance in 1 liter of petrol equal to 55.3 kilometer. Clear? Therefore, a two-wheeler cover a distance in 10 liter of petrol means 55.3 into 10. Do multiply. 55.3 into 10. In 1 liter of petrol, 55.3 kilometer is going. In 10 liter of petrol, how much distance will it cover? To multiply means 55.3 into 10. 0 0 0. If from 0 you will multiply in any number, 0 3 ja 0, 0 5 ja 0, 0 5 ja 0. After that 1 3 ja 3, 1 5 ja 5, 1 5 ja 5, 0 3 5 5. Clear? After point 1 number, here is means 0 0 meter means 553 kilometer. Clear? Once again, a two-wheeler cover a distance in 1 liter of petrol equal to 55.3 kilometer. Therefore, a two-wheeler cover a distance in 10 liter of petrol equal to 55.3 into 10. Clear? After that, 553.0 kilometer means 553 kilometer. Note down. Question number 5. It is also multiply like question number 1. This question you can do. Clear? Now last exercise 2.7. Here is only divide is given. Clear? I am explaining you. Total 6 question is given. Two 2.7 exercise, divide. First one, 0.4 divided by 2. 0.4 divided by 2 means 0.4 upon 2 means 2 to the 4. 0.2 is the answer. Clear? Third one, 2.48 divided by 4. 2.48 divided by means 2.48 by 4. Suppose that you are not knowing how you will do divide like this, means 2 to the 4. It is very easy, you can do. But suppose that any other number is given that you can't think how we can do divide direct. So you can do like this. Clear? Means 4 6 are 20. Cancel 8. 4 2 are 8. After decimal 1 2. Means 0.6. Clear? One more method is there. Note down this. Question number 2. 4.8 divided by 10. 4.8 divided by 10. Clear? 4.8 divided by 10. Do divide. 4.8 by 10. 4.8 divided by means first of all remove this decimal, means 48 by 100. We can write. After that 0.48 means if this type question is there, see, very easy. 4.8 upon 10. Clear? So first of all you remove the decimal. 48 by 100. After that equal to 0.48. What? Where is the problem? It is a very easy. Question number 2 you can do. Question number 3, upon 100 is given. So many number is given. There is given upon 100. Means third one, 2.7 upon divide 100. 2.7 divide 100 means 2.7 upon 100. So here also same. Remove the decimal. Means 27 by 1000. Means 0.027. It is the answer. Very easy. Question number 3 like this. Question number 4 given upon 1000. Means here is given 100, so there is given 1000. Process will be same. Clear? You can do question number 4. Question number 5, 6. I am telling you. Note down this. Question number 5. 7 divided by 3.5. 7 divided by 3.5. Means solution 7 by 3.5. Remove the decimal, means 70 by 35. 35 to the 70 equal to 2. 35 to the 70 equal to 2 is the answer. Clear? One more. 36 divided by 0.2. 36 divided by 0.2. 36 by 0.2. Here after point, one number is there. Remove the decimal means 360 by 2. 110 you will write here. Point will be removed. Then divide. 2 1 2, 2 8 60. 180 is the answer. 180 is the answer. Note down. Now last question number 6. A vehicle cover a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Clear? Means since a vehicle cover a distance in 2.4 liter of petrol equal to 43.2 kilometer. Clear? So therefore a vehicle cover a distance in 1 liter of petrol equal to 43.2 divided by 2.4 means 43.2 upon 2.4. After point one number is here. Here is also after point one number. Point is remove, cancel means 432 by 24. Then divide 24 1 ja 24. After that 24 8 ja 192 means when you will divide it, how much? 80 kilometer. Means a vehicle cover a distance in 2.4 liter of petrol equal to 43.2 kilometer. A vehicle cover a distance in 1 liter. Maximum to minimum if you are asking, you will do multiply. But minimum is asking in 2.4 liter that is going 43.2 kilometer. Asking in 1 liter how much distance will it cover? Means to divide 43.2 divide by 2.4. 43.2 upon 2.4. Decimal cancel means 432 by 24. After that 24 divided by 18. 24 1 ka 24. 19 into 192 upon 24 8 ja 192. Cancel means 80 kilometer. Means in 1 liter of petrol vehicle will cover a distance 18 kilometer. Clear? Okay. Note down is this chapter is complete. Okay. Thank you, students.